We did 500 calories in an hour, and we used to do 500 calories in an hour a year ago. And then since I was at the hotel, everything, blah, 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 blah. Whatever, doesn't matter. We do not need to talk about the past. We're moving forward. I'm glad you enjoyed your workout. I hope you don't get tired of that track. That's what I always worry about, that you guys might get tired of that track. I do not get tired of that track, but I always think of you. So I was having, conversations with myself this weekend, thinking what has happened to when I started to where I am today. Obviously, I have grown. So I have been thinking this whole weekend about my own fitness journey, what has changed for me since, I was living in a hotel and And the one thing I always think about is sometimes what stops me from being me is I'm more worried about you, meaning I'm worried that if I go too hard, you think you can't do that, right? Because we're always thinking, oh, I can't do that. Like anytime you see stuff, oh, I can't do that. Oh, I can't eat that. Oh, I can't wear that. Oh, I can't go there. Oh, I can't, you know what I mean? We're always our own, oh, I can't. And I started recognizing that I'm becoming that person again. Oh, I can't do 100 jumping jacks because they're gonna think I'm crazy and they're not gonna wanna do 100 jumping jacks. And what I used to do when I started is I did not think of other people, I only thought of myself. And you know what? This is not trying to offend anyone. I should always think of myself because it's also my body, my workouts, my life, my own fitness journey, right? And it's your life, your body, your mind, and your fitness journey. And I started this with the thinking of it is your way. And sometimes I lose that because I'm trying to be me and you, and I get lost in here. And so now that I've created this KRF Hustler Challenge, I really want to focus on me again and not be always thinking of what are they gonna think. Because I know you guys are not gonna think anything, and I know you're gonna do you, so I just wanna reiterate that. If I'm doing 100 jumping jacks, you do however many you wanna do. If I'm lifting heavy, you lift what you have. You do not have to copy me, you do not have to keep up with me, you do not have to do any of that. But there's a variety of fitness levels in the group, right? And so, again, I have to do me, and you have to do you. If you need to go, just go. If you need to come late, just come late. You don't need to say, oh, I'm here now. You don't need to announce you're leaving. Just come and go as you please, so that way I stay in my own world and you stay in your world, and everyone's just like, imagine if we're in a gym studio and I'm the person that teaches the class on stage and everybody just comes in to take the class. Everybody does their own thing. No one says to the instructor, hey, I can't do that, or wait, slow down, or you're going too fast. You know what I mean? So I want to be able to just go and not have to feel judged. Saved by the bell, okay? So I hope that makes sense, and I'm gonna have to hang up on you now because Saved by the Bell. There's a bunch of people coming in again today to work in my house. All right, does anyone want to add anything? Otherwise, I love you, and I will see you tomorrow.